Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and it's another YouTube hop. It's hashtag First Saturday Art. We have moved it to the first Saturday, and the prompts for February are, I think it was Valentine hearts, Cupid, feathers, chocolate, or 29 faces. So I decided to go with Valentine's, sort of, and hearts. But not pink. Not that I dislike pink. I just wanted purple instead. So I did a gel print session recently, and this is one of the prints from there, and I'm going to be using that one and another one that was kind of a brayer off that I like cleaned up the plate with and stuff. I really liked the colors, so that's what I'm going to be using. And like I said, this is a hop, so the link to the next video in the hop will be in my description box below. So check that out and check out the other creators. They all have some fun, unique things. Everything usually ends up being different. Like, no two are the same, which is fun. I mean, because we just get the prompts and, yeah, we have to make it. The video has to be 10 minutes or less, so I have way sped this up. I just stamped those with Distress ink and used, it's actually thick, clear embossing powder, so they're a little clunky, but this is the only clear I had. And I thought I was going to use those dark arrows, but they're too dark, so we'll save them for later. And I wanted to put a person, and I saw this one on this travel brochure, and I just liked the way he was looking up with his arms spread, like he was seeing something wonderful coming his way. So I thought that would be a good one. And I'm just going to use this piece of that. I know I colored the whole thing, but I'll use it in something else. And yeah, it's going to be his backdrop. Now here's the like I said, brayer off, clean up from a gel print. And I'm just going to put it in. I'm going to like remove some of that because I worry that it'll make the background, like the purple on that black page, not show up well enough. So plus I could use that little piece another time, right? Save all our bits and pieces. So how are you today? I hope you're doing well. It's a good day here. It's so weird. We have not really had much snow. There's been snow in the mountains, which is good, but not enough snow to provide us with water for the summer. So that's not going to be fun. They'll put us on restrictions, I'm sure. We're already, they already restrict our water usage in the summertime, so. I barely keep the lawn alive. It may die this summer. If it doesn't snow some more, maybe we'll get some snow in March. Or February. February is here now in this video. It hasn't happened yet in my voiceover. So, snow is more likely in February than it is in March. So, I decided to glue the page rather than the paper I was putting in so that I didn't glue over the edges. But that always makes it difficult to because I'm using the paper that I did that was watercolor, and it's hard to do with a glue stick. Anyway, I think the project's pretty self-explanatory, right? I was still thinking of using that arrow, but I decide I'm going to do it with some, I do have some white embossing powder, so I thought that would be fun to make it a white arrow, and that will really stand out, I think. I'm hoping at this point. I probably should have let that dry, the glue stick dry a little bit longer, but I mean, doesn't look too bad. It didn't have too much residue on there. There. So there's the arrow coming straight for him, and he's happy about it. Alright, so this is another just scrap piece of paper that I had brayered off onto, and I'm going to make a few hearts for the opposite page. I decided that they didn't stand out enough, so I'm actually going to make a larger heart with that black and purple paper, and it will create a bit of a border. I was gonna tear it, and then I was like, this is wet strength tissue. It doesn't tear well in all directions, so cutting it out is gonna be how we have to go. It's a little wonky, it's not perfect, but it will work. I'm gonna do that with both the big heart and the little heart. Oh, sorry. I was grabbing my little journal that I've been putting these in. I do have a second, like the one from January, if you're interested. I'll probably create a little playlist of my pages I'm doing for the YouTube hops that I'm doing each month. So I'll put that down below, but make sure you check out the other creators. I don't want you to miss them. There's some pretty good stuff. Of course, I haven't seen it yet, but I watched their last month's videos. They were pretty good. Just touching up the border around the heart. I didn't want it too thick around the hearts. Now we're going to glue those on. And I'll have to find a quote. I always like put quotes, and this book started out as a positive affirmation book, so I've got to put something positive in there, right? Again, just using glue stick. Just because that tissue paper is so thin. And I discovered that I had these little teeny arrow stamps. Now this stamp set with the arrows is by Gina B. Aarons, and I don't think you can get them anymore. She has a YouTube channel. She used to have an Etsy store. I don't know that she does anymore. Have the Etsy store. Most of her stuff is on Patreon, and I don't subscribe to any Patreon, so I don't have access to that information. I guess I could have cut out all the fiddly bits, but you could see it all, I guess. I didn't quite get all the white off of the heart, so there's a little bit of sprinkling of white around that arrow, and some of it, like it's absorbing color or something. It looked a little yellow, so I went in with just a white gel pen and lightened that up a little bit. And here I'm putting these feathers on because that was one of the prompts, so I decided to add the feathers. They could be coming from Cupid's wings, right? I used matte medium for those to get that tissue paper to disappear a little bit. And the quote I put was, "The way to happiness. Keep your heart free from hate, your mind from worry. Live simply, expect little, and give much." And it didn't have who wrote that quote, so I don't have that. But there it is. I hope you liked this video. I know it was really fast, If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, think about subscribing. And make sure you check out the link in the description box below to see the next person in the video hop. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.